bit to get it going. I'll push it in first and then you count. What are you going to count? 5?
Yeah.
You're doing 5? Okay.
Go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Watch the second explosion. Come on. There it is.
Oh, that's so cool!
What just flew out?
That's so cool, the balloon! Oh, that's so cool!
Wow, Rob.
Wow, Rob, how do you feel? That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool, right?
Yeah, man.
Oh!
The fins just...
Oh, damn. I was afraid of it.
You should have gone to catch it. How do you feel?
Great.
Mom's in the car.
Let's get out of here before we get fined. Let's go. Wow, that was so cool.
That was really cool.
The Rocketeer.
That was really awesome.
That was very cool. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. I think I got it.
Can you pick up the controller?
Yeah.